she's only 2. She doesn't know what's going on. Oh, she got the big one. Oh, now it's 2-2.
My channel, and today we're going to be doing another fidget video. Yeah, my special guest is Posie Bear. Say hi. Sissy. Yeah. This is my sister. And we're going to be playing big, small. I have no clue.
Big one. So we're doing big fidget versus little fidget. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna have you guys go in that room and I'm gonna put one. Yeah, as you can see, they're different sizes, but that doesn't mean that the big one's gonna be under this one. It could be under this one. I'm gonna try and trick you guys, okay? And we're gonna do 7 rounds to see who can, or maybe even 8, maybe a bonus round, to see who can get the most big fidgets. You wanna guess which one the big fidget is under, okay? Yeah. And whoever gets the most big fidgets at the end wins. Yep, you gotta go back to that back room and hide.
Come on, Posie.
Okay, I'm gonna get some fidgets. Let's see. Okay, do not touch him, okay? No touch.
No touch.
No touch. Yeah, don't touch it, okay? We're gonna let Everly guess which one she thinks has the big one. Do you want to keep it or swap it?
Keep.
You want to keep it? You sure don't want to swap?
No. Swap.
Okay, on the count of 3, you're gonna lift up. 3, 2, 1. Oh, Posie got the big one. Now it's okay. You gotta show off the fidgets. Show off who you are.
Mine is a fidget pad. I honestly kind of like fidget pads, but no, it's not how it works. It's how big it is. So you have to
show them your fidget. What'd you get?
It's a hairy tangled, and you can see that there's like yellow stuff on it.
Look! Go back in the room. Go. I got more
Here,
fidgets.
let's go, Posie. Take it.
Okay, this round we're gonna let Posie say if she wants to keep. So no touching,
Oh
Posie, no touching. Hey, Posie, look. Do you want to keep it? Posie, look. Do you want this one or this one? You want this one? Okay, we're gonna lift it up. We got 3.
Pick the
1, 2, 3. Oh!
Yeah!
I thought she might have wanted to swap, but she didn't. One more. You gotta show the cameras what you got. That's the part of the first. One more. So what is this one?
You just play with it and try to get them in order. I really like this, honestly. But I just got a big pop in.
Tie ball game.
Yeah.
Go hide. I'm gonna do more. Okay. Hey, you gotta leave this here. Run, faster. Oh, she's so cute. She's having so much fun. Okay. It's 1-1.
Yeah.
All right, hold on, Posie. Don't touch. All right, it's Sissy's turn. Don't touch Posie. Oh, what are you doing down there? All right, come on.
Popping it.
All right, Sissy's turn. Do you want to keep it or swap it?
Stop it! I want to feel it.
You can't feel it.
Can I smell it?
You can smell it, but no feeling with your nose. Okay, keep it or swap it.
Swap it?
Hold on, it's Sissy's turn.
Swap it.
You wanna swap it for sure? 3, 2,
Swap.
1, swap for sure?
Swap.
Okay.
Posie, you can't touch it.
Here we go. Alright, let's see what you guys did. 3, 2, 1, lift. Oh! She got it. Posie, you gotta show off what she got. She doesn't like it. You don't like the small one. What is this guy called?
It's puzzle ball.
Puzzle ball? What did you get? You gotta show off what you got.
I got it's a small dimple digit, and I have a bigger one of these, but just pop it, and it says like words on it too, like, and it says like Spanish too on it. That's cool.
Pretty cool. Alright, Posie, look. So Posie, you wanna keep or swap?
Swap?
Oh, you wanna swap? Okay.
She said this one.
No, yeah, she said swap. I Posie, look, we're swapping.
You didn't give me that much time.
She said swap.
You didn't give me that much
Yo,
time.
she's only 2. She doesn't know what's going on. Oh, she got the big one. Oh, now it's 2-2. It's tied. Oh, she's like, actually, I don't get it. She wants to have the big one.
Posie, but you got a piggy one. Look at it.
She doesn't really get the
Look
big
at it,
one.
Posie. You got a piggy one. You got a piece
Okay.
of pod.
Alright, show off what each of those fidgets are. So, Posie technically got the big one, but she doesn't really get the point of the game, so.
I don't know what these are. They're called snake cubes. And you're supposed to like make them into shapes.
You gotta open it up, you gotta show them, because that was the one that you got from your fidget box, and this is one of the new fidgets.
Whoa! This is super cool. Then you make it into different shapes. It's super duper cool.
Okay, tie ball game. game, 2-2. Gotta go back in that room. I'm gonna get more. Okay. The blue one? Pink, purple, blue. Okay, whatever that means. All right, here we go. Woo, no touching him. Super Posie. Okay, Posie, no touching. All right, it's Sissy's turn to guess.
Last time we...
Do you want to keep or swap? Keep or swap? Keep. Keep or swap? You want to keep?
Yeah, I want to keep.
Make sure?
Yeah.
It's 2-2, because whoever gets this takes the lead.
Keep.
All right, 3, 2, 1. Oh. That's pretty cool.
No, not yet. Okay, Posie, try to guess what Sissy got. A blue one, okay. Ooh, a yellow one. Okay, these are supposed to go on your 3 fingers, and you're supposed to fidget with them, and they're like magnets, and you're just supposed to like, I have no clue.
Posie took the lead, 3-2. Okay, next round is very important because, what was I gonna say? I don't know why. Okay, next one's important. Here we go. Ready? I gotta go back in the room. Posie, you wanna take this one with you? Or you wanna leave it here? Oh, I gotta leave it here. Whoa. Yeah, show them.
You can like make it into like a straight line, and
that is pretty cool. All right, so it's Posie's turn to guess, and we can touch.
Okay.
Posie, look. Do you want this one or this one?
This one?
You want this one?
I didn't see, so.
Posie, you want this one for sure?
This one?
Okay, she's swapping with you. All right, you gotta lift it. This is important because it's 3-2. She already has the lead. If she gets this, it's a big lead.
Hey, no, Posie, don't open yours ass. So she's gonna open hers first, okay? Okay.
3, 2, 1.
Yeah!
I Posie's turn. Lift it up. Let's see what Posie got. Ooh, Posie wanted the blue one.
Whoa.
Time for round number 4.
Oh,
I love that one actually. Good job.
Okay.
Okay, let's do. So guys, what we're gonna do is we're gonna do 2 more rounds. Okay? It's 3-3 with 2 more rounds. Here we go.
Posie's too interested.
This one's to take the lead.
Yeah!
It's 3-3. It's Sissy's guess. Are you excited, Posie? Whoa, she's very excited. Okay, everybody, you want to keep or swap?
What did I do last time? What did Posie do?
Last time Posie swapped.
Swap.
Are you sure?
Swap.
This one's for the lead.
Swap!
Okay. This is big. Alright, on the count of 3. 3, 2, 1.
Don't lift yours up yet.
Alright, Posie, let's see what you got, Posie.
Got this one.
Oh, Posie got the big one. She took the lead.
This one's a new one though, so.
That isn't one of the new ones. You gotta show off the new one. We added one big new one, which is what you guys already saw, and this is the small new one. What is that?
It's an air.
It's an air ball?
Yeah, it's an air ball, but like it's like a globule and it's sticky inside.
And this is the big one. It's kind of like that other one that Everly had, but this one's even bigger.
Way bigger.
And you can see it has all the colors and numbers 1 through 10, and like Everly said, this side it has it in Spanish.
Yep.
It's pretty cool. Okay, hey, final round. If Posie wins, she's the winner.
Yep.
If you win, it's just a tie ball game. Okay? Alright, go back there.
Oh,
Here we go, Posie, last round.
Wait, can we do another round?
If you win, we might have to do a finale round.
Okay.
But we'll see if Posie wins or not.
Okay, Posie, come on.
Come on out. No touching. Alright, Posie, you gotta show me which one you want. This one or this one?
This one?
You want this one for sure. I think he keeps going for the pink one. Pinkish. Okay, on the count of 3. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Oh, technically Everly's is bigger. So she took the lead. Well, you tied it. 4-4. Okay, go back there for one last finale round. One last finale round to speed this up. This is what Posie got. Just a little pocket thing.
It's like and I got.
Okay, yeah, Posie got the key one. Okay, Posie, one more time. Go back there. This is for all the marbles. Oh my goodness, you are excited. So guys, whoever gets this, whoever gets the big one, wins the challenge. Posie, no touching. Everybody, do you want to keep or swap? Keep or swap? Keep or swap? Keep or swap? Are you sure?
Yeah.
You're deciding whether you win or lose.
Keep.
Okay, on the count of 3 lifting. 3, 2, 1. Posie, lift yours. You can lift it. Oh! She's the victor.
I got the piggy.
She got the piggy popping. Oh, okay. Well, hey, it was all fun. Better luck next time. You beat your mom in the last fidget video. If you guys haven't seen that, go watch it. You want one more?
Thank you guys for watching. Subscribe to our channel. Give this video
You want one more?
big thumbs up. And thanks for watching. Love you guys so much.